Hey, what's up? I'm Mark Bellini, and I have an update for my patio cover. So I was going to actually do a complete replacement of this whole patio cover. I was going to make it a pitched roof. Right now it's flat, and you can see there's some issues with drainage. There's some rot right there, and just kind of a low ceiling too, not quite 8 foot. So it's a little low and kind of makes it a little bit dark in the house. So I just kind of wanted to see if I can make it a pitched roof, and I went through the whole process of talking to architects and engineers and everything. And when I first started with this project, it was going to be like, I don't know, they're running out numbers around like 12,000, 16,000, something like that. And I was thinking top end, the most it could be would be maybe 20,000. It's like, okay, I can kind of stomach that and kind of make it work. But they finally got all the numbers to me and got it all figured out what they were going to do, and they came in with a base price. Like the cheapest it would be like $45,000 with a high end of more like 55 for what I wanted. So that project is now squashed. I am not doing that anymore. It's way too much money. It's a sunk cost. I don't really get a return from it. So financially, it doesn't really make sense. It's functional, it works. And so I'm going to work with a roofer to just make sure it does not leak anymore in the future. He's going to put double plywood up there and really make it so it's, will basically never leak. So that will hopefully not be an issue anymore moving forward. I'll get a new roof on here in probably 2 weeks or so. And so all I'm thinking I can do is basically maybe put some wood paneling on here, kind of make it look a little bit more modern. But I'm not going to do a whole lot to it, just kind of like fix it up a little bit, make it a little bit nicer, and just call it a day and use that money for other projects that are going to actually have a return on my investment. So that project is officially squashed, not doing that anymore. I just want to give an update on that, and I'll keep you posted on other projects as they progress. So if you like this content, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.